Assalamu alaikum. I am Sharik from Standard 7. The Hindu. Is the COVID-19 vaccine safe for children? Washington, December 23rd, 2021. US Food and Drug Administration cleared the short base on the study showing the kids side does 91% effective and preventing symptomatic COVID-19. Is the COVID-19 vaccine safe for children? Yes, US regulators authorized Pfizer's vaccine for younger children. After a million of 12 to 17 years old already safely got the shot. The only one available for children in the country, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, is looking into a handful of reports and heart inflammation, mostly feel and brief among 5 to 11 years old since vaccination of the age group began. Thank you.